The Rakshan Project by Sakshi is a youth-led initiative through which we're reaching out to over 40 lakh NSS volunteers, and we're training them to become Rakshans, who are essentially preventers of child sexual abuse. So through this intervention, we want to disrupt cycles of violence and abuse, and we want to create a new environment where there's compassion, where there's accountability and empathy. So I'm so glad to welcome you to Rakshan Speaks today. And I'm Nivedita, and I'm part of the team here at Sakshi. So hi, introduce yourself.
Hello, thank you so much for calling me on this platform. It's a great privilege to be here. I am Mobina Farooq and I'm in third year and I'm doing BSc Honors Microbiology from Swami Shraddhanand College, DU. And I love to do social work and I fall in love with NGO and social kind of things more when I joined Rakshin because I learned a lot of things here.
Okay, so talk to us a little more about that. How did you first join the Rakshan project? How did you hear about it?
One day I was like sitting at home and I was thinking I did everything, like I did technical, like I love to do experiment. Then I was thinking like what what the thing I'd never do. Then I thought of doing NGO. Then I asked to my friend, my classmate Rakesh. I just messaged him and I said, "Ki, hey, you are in NSS, so you may got lot of like NGOs collab with you." And yes, तो बताओ यार मेरे को भी करना है. And I wanted to do that. Then he quickly came and बोला कि हाँ, there is a Rakshin, Sakshi, and they are doing great, and you could enter, and they are going for their internship program. Then from there I got to know about it, and thank God I waked up so early, so I came into this.
So that's great, wonderful to hear. So how have you been liking the Rakshan project so far? Is there anything specific that you've learned from the project? Any memory that you share? I mean, obviously it's all online now,
Yes,
but
I
anything that any memory that you've had with the project that you would like to talk to us about?
first of all I would say I'm not liking, I fall in love with it. Okay, because I learned a lot of things. Like on first day, my mentor is Dr. Ramya, and she's great mentor.
Mhm.
She don't only teach, she gives us enough time to discuss things. Like we can share our stories, and she's like okay with it. So on first day, she taught us like we talk about every child knows that this is nose, this is lip, this is ear, but they never go through that the name of the private parts. They never talk about that thing, and they feel shy. But if we will teach them, look, this is breast, this is vagina, this is anus, and nothing wrong in taking its name. It's just a body part. And if we will teach them like it's a body part, it's only a body part, and then in future if anything goes wrong, then that a child will know कि yeah, this part is called this. Then the child, a child will like literally will know to कि yeah, how to tell सामने वाले कि कैसे बताओ. And that child will also feel like कि हाँ, ये कुछ गलत नहीं है. It's just a part someone tries to do wrong with me, and I'm not the culprit, that samne wala is the culprit. So first class was like a very effective, and then we go on from the consent, like proper consent. Yeah, a person if say yes, then it's yes. Not like like ma'am shows us a lot of videos,
Exactly.
and then we came
Yeah.
after that we learned about like how to talk to a victim. And we never saw like कि अरे तेरे साथ बुरा हो गया. Like ma'am usually used to say, and her tone is literally I'm in love with it. So ये like कि ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, you have to be polite, और उसको नहीं दिखाना है कि हम उससे बड़े हैं और तुम्हारे साथ कुछ हो गया तो like बहुत गलत हो गया. So I learned a
Mhm.
lot of things. So I'm looking forward to learn much more things. So this that's
Yeah, so thank you so much for sharing all the things that you've learned, and that's part of what we want to do with the Rakshan project. We want to, this is the knowledge that we're looking to impart. So my next question to you would be, have you seen any changes in your personal life because of the project? And by the end of the project, अपने आप में आप क्या बदलाव देखना चाहते हैं? What changes do you want to see by the end of the project?
Actually, I saw a lot of changes in myself. Like now, I don't hesitate in talking about the mostly that private parts name. No more. And like and I got to know about like many unique kind of things for me. Like once I saw a video in which there was a child, a male child, and and he was very disturbed. Then Rakshin was asking to her like what happened to you. Then when that child elaborates that uh, uh, his uncle tried to do that anal rape with him, then I was shocked, like okay, a male can also target a male boy, a little boy. I always used to think it's all about girls, 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 but now I came to know, no, it's not about girls. It can be like anyone. It can be male, it can be female. There's no boundary in it. So it was like very unique thing for me. Now I'm also gonna tell my neighbors कि look, don't only like कि हम होते ना बोलते कि गर्ल चाइल्ड को हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे कहीं, तो अब मैं बोलूँगी प्लीज अपने बच्चों को ही मत छोड़ो, चाहे वो गर्ल हो या मेल हो. Anything can happen with anyone. And I'm becoming like a more comfortable in talking about these kind of things. And my perspective are going in right direction. Now I'm like I know what's the right thing, because now there's a like very little difference between wrong and right. Because when something happens like in rape, हमें सबको गुस्सा आता है, बट कैसे एक राइट तरीके से रिएक्ट करना है उसके लिए, कैसे उसके लिए एक प्रॉपर वे में बोलना है. तो ये सारी चीजें मतलब मैंने सीखी है. एंड एज अ पर्सन मुझ में बहुत लाइक मैंने अपने आप में बहुत चेंजेस देखे हैं. And I'm looking forward for learning more and more things. And मैं क्या ही बोलूँ कि मैं क्या देखना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने जितना सोचा था मुझे उससे ज्यादा लाइक इस प्लेटफॉर्म ने दिया है. एंड हाँ, मैं ये बोलूंगी कि आफ्टर 3 months आई वांट टू बी कंटिन्यू विद इट. सो
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing all of that. And yeah, exactly, these are all things that we believe here as a part of Sakshi. And another thing that you were talking about कि बच्चों लोग को भी बाहर नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. And again, yes, we completely believe that abuse can happen to anyone regardless of gender. But one of the main things that we're trying to do with the Rakshan project is to talk about accountability, and instead of blaming the victim. So what we want to do with the project is to change the perception from, instead of saying don't let your children go outside, we want to create an environment जहाँ abuse
बच्चे
होता
खेल
ही
सके
नहीं है.
अच्छे से. Yes,
Exactly. So
exactly.
that's the goal of the project, and that's the
Yeah,
essence
it's a
of what
goal,
we're
but
trying to do.
we should take some safety measures, right? Because we didn't created it, like we are on the way to create it. So yes, जब तक नहीं हो जाता तो I will say कि हाँ, थोड़ा safety measure लेने चाहिए. It's totally my opinion, and I know it's not
Yeah.
Rakshin's. Yes.
No, I mean, it's unfortunately what we have to do, but exactly,
Yeah.
projects like the Rakshan project, and projects where we're reaching out to so many people, where we're creating Rakshans like you who are contributing to helping us create this environment. So thank you so much for being a part of
No,
the
I'm
project and being a
thankful to
part of,
you. Thanks for
yeah,
calling me.
yeah, and being a part of the work that we're trying to do. So before we wrap up for today, I would like to ask you, if you had to send a message to any of the Rakshans, ki, how would you like to? Do you have any closing remarks before we
Yeah, I
leave
will
today?
say that all to all Rakshans, like be honest with your duty, guys. Okay, and please do work honestly. At least ये चीज के लिए करना ठीक है, हम लाइफ में बहुत हेरा फेरी करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ करते हैं, बट ये जो है ना, इसमें हम ह्यूमैनिटी को सर्व कर रहे हैं, एंड प्लीज डू इट। इसको करने पे ना रात को नींद भी अच्छी आएगी, मुझे तो आती है। सो आई वुड जस्ट से कि जस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट विद दिस पार्ट, with this
All
duty,
right,
sorry,
thank
it's
you.
not part's duty. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This was such a great conversation, and we want to create more conversations like this
Sure.
where Rakshans are able to speak up, where people are able to speak up without any hesitation, like you said earlier. And thank you, and I will hopefully be in touch with you. And all the best with the rest of the Rakshan project.
Thank you
Thank
so
you. Good
much.
night.
Good night and nice talking to you. Bye.